everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashley if you're new here, and if you're returning, welcome back. Hey guys, so we are about to head to HomeSense. I want to pick up a few things from there for my daughter's room to decorate. And I had to stop at Dunkin to get, I think this is the cookie butter holiday drink. And I can't remember if I tried this before or I've tried some kind of variation of this, but we're about to see what it's giving. I love Dunkin. It's good. It's good. I really like it. So I will see you guys when we get to HomeSense. Bye. So it seems like for this season, the gingerbread men and bows are very, very popular. And I'm not mad at it. So this will go in her room, obviously. And I just thought it was so cute. I found this at Hobby Lobby. They're doing like the 50% off. So we got this for $7. This little tree is for her room. This is 4 feet. And it's just a basic traditional Christmas tree, nothing special. I found these really cute shatter-resistant Christmas ornaments. They were only $5 and 20 comes in the pack. They're kind of small, but I think they are so cute, and it comes with like the little hooks in there. And then we have these cute little bowls. These came from Michael's. These are only like $5 as well. It comes in a pack of 6. And in the previous clip, I showed this cute little candy cane throw blanket. This will also be for her room. I'm just gonna like throw it across her bed. Her actual comforter that we're doing for Christmas is white, so I'm hoping that it all blends well. So a lot of you guys may be familiar with I believe the viral Christmas tree from Home Depot. That's like, I think it's like $300, $400. I'm not paying that for it. So to give that effect, I found these Christmas lights on Amazon, and it has like multiple different settings, which is super fun. I'll insert a clip to show you guys like how it works. And these Christmas ornaments I found at Michael's. These are the flock ornaments. And I was so excited to snatch these up because last year I was looking for some of these, but they were all sold out. So apparently I didn't go shopping early enough. So this year I said, we're going very much early. So these don't come with like the string to put them on or the hooks. So honestly, I may just purchase like some gold string and just loop them through to put on the Christmas tree. And look at these cute little Christmas ornaments. And these also came from Hobby Lobby to She has some floating bookshelves, and I thought that it would be like really cool to put some Christmas books up there too. I may just do this one and maybe like one or two, or just this one. And these little snowflakes also, these little snowflakes came from the Dollar Tree. You can actually, oh, you can actually paint them if you want, but I'm just going to leave them as is. It's kind of like a natural wood kind of material. And I'm actually missing one. This particular style is from last year, and this is the style from this year. It's slightly different, but it's fine. So I also came up with this idea to like put the little bows around the snowflake. So I'm excited. I'm excited. So we have 6 of these, and this is a 6-piece bow set. So yeah, more than likely I'm gonna just pop these on. Did some for the tree, but honestly, I think the amount of bulbs, the amount of ornaments that we already have, I think that should be enough. So yeah. And here's this little candle. This smells so good. This is the white amber and musk scented candle from Aldi. It's like a snow globe candle. I was looking at some videos online, and they were talking about like what's new in Aldi, and I said, ooh, when I tell you this candle smells so good, like I cannot wait to light it. To like, her room is just gonna, ooh, that smells so good. Ugh, I'm not even exaggerating. That smells so good. But this is another piece that's for her room. We have a few other items that'll be coming in the mail. I've been getting into the habit of purchasing like super fun holiday mugs. And I found these gingerbread coffee or tea, hot chocolate, whatever you want to put in here mugs. These are so cute. It has a little gingerbread and a house on here. Here's this little flock tree. This also came from Aldi. The beautiful thing that I love about Aldi's is you can go in there and get your groceries, and you cannot help but walk through the aisle of the home decor, and you'll always find something. Like I found this snow globe candle, this tree, and these coffee mugs from there. And this is, I don't know if I said it, but this is the flock material. More than likely, this will go in her room. These I purchased from Michael's last year, but I think that I may use these for her room as well, and just like kind of do like the tier, Christmas tree tier look. And I was watching Evelyn Hernandez Christmas haul the other day, and she showed this candle from um, I found mine's at TJ Maxx, but all of those sister stores you can find it. This candle is so cute. It looks like a bell, but it's actually a candle. This one smells really good too. This smells like fresh laundry. It kind of smells like fresh laundry, but my favorite one, I believe, was the silver. The silver one like this was the best. And I was thinking like I could just like use that one and paint it, but I was like, it's not that serious. I'll just get this one and moving right along because I still like the smell of it, but the silver one was. This is actually the top from a candle that I had last year. It was a figural Christmas tree candle, and my daughter broke the other half of it because I was planning on reusing it, but it's fine because I'm going to spray paint it black and probably put this in the bathroom somewhere. Haven't decided. For like the main area, which is like the dining room, living room space, I want to stick with neutrals, but I am going to add a splash of burgundy, just a little splash, just a little zzz, zzz. And I found this ribbon from, oh, these candles came, taper candles came from Hobby Lobby. FYI, if you want to purchase like specific color taper candle, you will always find them at Hobby Lobby. That's where I found like my neutral, like tan brown candles. And I found this ribbon. When in the store, it looked like it was like the same exact match, but it's not quite. So I want some ribbon. So I want some that's like a true burgundy and not just like a dark red. So more than likely, I could also use these for my daughter's ornaments because at first I was just like, I don't want it to be like just all this red, but it's fine. We have some more flock ornaments for the big Christmas tree. This is like a cream color, and this is the 3.1 inch. These are pretty big. Online they said it's brown, but it's kind of like a tan color. I may pick up a few more of those before they sell out because the Hobby Lobby here did not have any of the flock ornaments. So I was lucky enough to find some at Michael's, and I'm wondering if I should pick up a few more just to like fill out the tree because I'm still trying to figure out what direction I want to go in. I know what color, but I'm just trying to figure out what direction I want to go for the tree and for the other areas. My daughter's room was the easiest, so that's why I decided to just go ahead and get hers out the way. I almost forgot that I picked up some stems as well. These really, really pretty. I don't even know what these are called, but it's like, it's not much of a burgundy, but it's like a deep red. These as well. I'm not sure where I want to put them, but I said I know that I like them, and just in case I just wanted to snatch these up. So I got two of these, but I feel like I may end up putting these in my entryway. So I want to grab a few more. I probably do like four more just so that I could be a little full. I don't want to do too much, but these have like these cute little pine cones and some greenery. Mom, are you okay? Are you okay? From Target, I found this outdoor rug. I think, what does it say? It says home for the holidays. I thought this was so cute, and it's really wide. I probably should have gotten a smaller one, but it's fine. And this was only 20 bucks. To show you guys, this is a bowl that I found from Aldi's a while ago. However, I used to use it for fruit, but I went to spray paint this black and put some pine cones in here for my balcony area. I found some old pine cones and decided to pull a few pieces from the stems that I showed earlier, and I thought that it looked so pretty. And to spice it up a little, I found this cedar bush from Michael's and I added a few pieces in there. So right now I'm editing, but I wanted to come back and talk to you guys a little bit more about my vision or my theme. So I'm sticking to my neutrals. However, as I mentioned before, I do want to incorporate like a little bit of burgundy. So I've just been like browsing around to like get an idea. My best friend Pinterest. I've been stalking Pinterest, looking for like different inspiration. I love looking on Pinterest for inspiration because you can just like collect like a bunch of different photos and just take what peeks out to you or what captures your attention from that particular photo and just make it your own. So I'm pretty much just hunting to find the items that I want to make my vision come to life. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I have an idea of like what kind of Christmas stockings and Christmas skirts I want. I found, I think it's called Lulu, Georgia or something like that. They have some really good things on there. However, a lot of the items are like back order or out of stock. This velvet Christmas skirt that I absolutely fell in love with, and they had the stocking to match. But I think the Christmas stocking wouldn't come until after Christmas, and the Christmas skirt that's in the color that I want is out of stock. That doesn't help me, but I will try to find something as close to it as I can, because that will go for like the big tree. For my daughter's tree, we found like this old faux fur blanket that we had just laying around, and I just draped it around the tree, and it looks so cute. So I can't wait for you guys to like see how her room turns out. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. I should probably put my mic on. Tree is heavy. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. What the?